victory for Terra's founder, Kwon, triggers a surge in Terra's value by 38%, reflecting market optimism. The retrial ordered by Montenegro court highlights complexities in extradition proceedings, adding uncertainty to Terra's future. Despite Terra's surge, indicators suggest caution due to potential overbought conditions. With a recent 38% jump, Terra has captured the attention of the cryptocurrency community. Such increase has primarily been attributed to the latest legal development involving Kwon, the founder of Terraform Labs. The recent victory of Kwon in his extradition to the US has been made public by the reversal of a previous court's verdict, which now buys Kwon more time, if not ending the extradition entirely. The appellate court of Montenegro's decision to revoke the earlier extradition order gave Kwon hope, who entered a guilty plea to charges related to the fall of the Terra ecosystem. This legal victory comes amidst a tumultuous period for Kwon, who had fled to Montenegro following Terra's downfall in mid-2022. However, his subsequent arrest on charges of possessing falsified official documents marked the beginning of a legal saga that now sees a potential reprieve. The retrial ordered by the court signifies a crucial juncture in Kwon's legal battle. It reflects the complexities surrounding the extradition requests from both the US and South Korea. The lack of clear and valid reasons for the order of arrival of these requests has prompted the need for further deliberation by the local courts. As earlier reported by Coin Edition, Kwon's lawyer has previously alluded to political pressure influencing the extradition proceedings, adding another layer of complexity to the case. Despite the latest legal victory, it's essential to note that Kwon's extradition is not entirely off the table. The retrial postpones or potentially nullifies the extradition process for the time being. This uncertainty has undoubtedly contributed to the fluctuating dynamics within the Terra ecosystem. The recent extradition of Han Chang-jun, Kwon's former CFO at Terraform, to South Korea is a stark reminder of the legal repercussions surrounding Terra's collapse. Amidst the legal intricacies, the Terra cryptocurrency has experienced a surge in value, with its price reaching $1.18 and a 24-hour trading volume of $1.2405 billion. The significant increase of 40.95% in the last 24 hours suggests heightened investor interest. However, indicators such as the one-day RSI, MACD, and KST hint at potential overbought conditions and weakening bullish momentum. Kwon, the co-founder and ex-CEO of Terraform Labs, notched a minor victory on Tuesday, when the Montenegrin appeals court quashed last month's Supreme Court decision that would have seen him deported to the United States to face fraud charges. Kwon wins appeal. The legal saga around Kwon's extradition continues after the Montenegro Court of Appeals overturned his deportation to the United States, accepting the appeal made by the beleaguered South Korean crypto entrepreneur's defense team. A lower Montenegrin court first ruled in December that Kwon should be deported to the US, as opposed to his home country, South Korea, where he is also facing a multitude of criminal charges for his role in the $40 billion implosion of Terra cryptocurrencies, Terra USD and Luna. After Kwon's lawyers appealed that ruling, the appellate court of Montenegro declared that the first ruling was deeply flawed and annulled it. A few weeks later, the High Court of Podgorica again decided that the fallen crypto star should be extradited to the US. And today, the panel of the appellate court voided the extradition approval for the third time, indicating that it was based on flawed logic, serious procedural violations, and an utter disregard for existing rules. The appeals court also questioned the lower court's conclusion that the US requested Kwon's extradition from Montenegro, where he served a 4-month jail sentence for possessing falsified official documents, before South Korea did. Although the High Court found that American authorities requested Kwon's deportation in March 2023, a day earlier than their South Korean counterparts, the appellate court determined today that South Korea's request in fact preceded America's by a number of days, as per email records. Kwon's former CFO at Terraform, Han Chang-jun, was extradited to South Korea by Montenegrin authorities early last month. The latest legal win for Kwon doesn't mean he won't be extradited. The case will be returned to the first-degree court for a new hearing. As such, his extradition has been delayed for now, not cancelled. Kwon vs. Sec Kwon. A extradition has been sought by the US and his native South Korea, after the blow-up of Terraform Labs' algorithmic stablecoin UST in May 2020, which caused losses that reverberated far and wide. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, lodged a lawsuit against him for his alleged orchestration of a multi-billion-dollar fraud scheme. Additionally, the Southern District of New York's U.S. Attorney's Office has brought forward criminal charges against the South Korean national. Kwon's SEC trial is scheduled to start on March 25 without him present amid delays in his extradition from Montenegro.